Okay guys, Kayode Leke here. Welcome to this video where I'll be teaching you how you can actually use your phone to create highlight covers for your Instagram pages. So quickly, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and also click the bell besides so that you can also get notifications whenever videos like this are being posted, and also like and share this video with your friends. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Instagram stories. Okay, this Instagram stories, then click see all, then you click blank. Okay, so it opens up a blank canvas for you. So now, like Instagram, like the highlights look like, you need to get icons that symbolize or represent what you want your highlight covers to look like. Remember, highlight covers are like menus on your website, but for Instagram they're like menus on websites, whereby you can have a list of things and compile them into one place. So you could have things like your contact, you could have things like your pricing, you could have things like your reviews, you could have things like your blog, all, and you create an highlight for them. So let me just use an example. You can go online and download any art that you want that represents or what you want to showcase in your highlight. So for this lesson basis, I have chosen contact. So just click on this plus sign here and it shows you images, text. So I want to add an image that I've downloaded already that symbolizes contact. So if I scroll up, you can see this sign here. You can see, so just click it, then it shows up here. Then you can increase or zoom. You can zoom it or reduce it. Then one thing you like to do is to centralize it. Just press it down and hold and move. Then move it till you see this vertical cross airline show, and also till you see the horizontal one show. So once it forms a cross, that means it's being centralized. So after doing that, you're done. The next thing you need to do is to export your design. So you can click on this download button here. So you can see save as image, save as whatever. So you can click save as image. So it saves it and it asks you where you want to use it. So the next thing you do is either click your feed here or stories or direct, but since we want to create highlight covers, we'll be selecting our stories, convert it to an highlight cover. So the first thing we'll do is, once you open the picture, you click on share on your mobile phone. Okay, then here you will see stories. You can see feed, Instagram feed. You can see Instagram stories. So you hit stories, then you post it as a story. All right, so it's been posted as a story here. So the next thing I want to do is I go to my story, then I click highlight down here. So you can see add to highlights, then you can select new. So automatically it makes it an highlight cover. Then you add contacts. You can give it a name. So I want to use it on my own contact, then I'll click add. So you can see added to highlights. Highlights stay on your profile until you remove them. So you click view on profile. Yep, so you can see this is it. So this is the highlights already. So that's how you can actually create highlight covers for your Instagram business account. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button so that you can get notifications of when new videos or tutorials are being created, and also hit the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you guys in another video. Stay blessed.